The long-running debate over the origins of COVID-19 took another turn this week after a French scientist spotted that genetic sequences put on a database by Chinese researchers suggest that coronavirus responsible might have come from animals such as raccoon dogs at the Huan seafood market in Wuhan. Within a few days, the sequences were removed by the same researchers, although some other scientists managed to download them beforehand, are investigating further. So this is a little strange. Why would researchers working at a virology lab out of Wuhan, China, have taken away DNA sequences from raccoon dogs if that was going to help us solve the COVID-19 pandemic? They have stated it is really critical that any and all data that relates to how this pandemic began be made available immediately, which now we know it wasn't. So what's strange about this is they've been saying it may have come out of bats, but they have yet to see any evidence of the specific strain of COVID, which is SARS-CoV-2, found in bats. And now they're saying they could have found it in raccoon dogs. An alternative explanation is that the virus escaped from the Wuhan Institute of Virology, where researchers were known to be studying bat coronaviruses, but not SARS-CoV-2. While this is a less favored idea among scientists, in February, the U.S. Department of Energy said that it was the most likely explanation, but didn't release supporting evidence until now. Now we may have evidence that it came out of a Wuhan lab in China with the DNA sequence of raccoon dogs. So if they knew they were good at carrying it, why was it that they thought that COVID would have come out of the bats if they didn't see that specific strand in bats? And we need China to make that database from their Center of Disease Control and Prevention available to everyone worldwide, and why they're withholding information just doesn't seem right.